Open Windows and search for CMD or Command Prompt and then right-click, Run as Administrator. Now you have to enter some commands. First command is WMIC and then product get name. It will now show the program file list. I'm going to uninstall Proton Drive, but you can choose whatever product you want to uninstall, so select and copy the name. Now enter another command, product where name equals to Proton Drive, and call uninstall. Now you have to confirm by typing Y for yes. As you can see, method execution success. You can check the program file list again if it's deleted. It's uninstalled.